Hello, everybody. I want to welcome you all to my Urban Subnet channel. And today we're going to be talking about something that has been taking the country by storm, and that is the ChatGPT artificial intelligence program. So right now, and you can see on my screen, I'm on the chat where it says, welcome to ChatGPT, and it asks you to log in or sign up. So we're going to talk little bit about ChatGPT and answer a couple of questions. And this is for beginners and folks who may not have already used ChatGPT before. So the first question we have is, what is ChatGPT? So the short version is it's an artificial intelligent chat bot where you can log into it and chat with it. You can ask it questions. You can put information into it and get analysis of it. You could ask it to write things for you, but it's chat. So you put in text, and then you get a reply back from the AI itself. So Wikipedia has it as ChatGPT is a member of the generative pre-trained transformer. That's where the GPT comes in. And of course, you chat with this generative pre-trained transformer. Okay, it's a class of language models. It is a task-specific GPT that was fine-tuned to target conversational usage. So it was fine-tuned. A generative pre-trained transformer was fine-tuned to target conversational usage. So that's kind of this is really boiling it down. That's what I like about Wikipedia. It puts it down on paper where you can follow and understand what they're talking about. Okay. And was originally built upon an improved version of the OpenAI's ChatGPT-3. Okay. Or GPT-3. Model known as GPT-3.5. Okay, so that is what is ChatGPT. So the next question is, can I use it today? So can I use ChatGPT today? The answer is absolutely yes. Y-E-S, capital Y-E-S. Yes, you can use it today. You go to this window, chat.openai.com is the website. So we're going to put that right in here for everybody to see where to go. So you want to go to chat.openai.com. So that's where you want to go. Chat.openai.com. That's the destination that's going to bring you to this web page right here where you can sign up. So if you click sign up, it's going to ask you for your email address, or you could sign in using one of your Google or Microsoft accounts or your Apple account. So, but once you put the email in, it's going to ask you for a little bit more specific information like your phone number, your name, and then you come back to a page where you can actually start chatting with the Chat GPU itself. So once you do all of that, you'll come back to your own page of ChatGPT. So what I'm going to do is let's just start a new chat right here. And on the page of new chat, the open page or the default page of the new chat screen, it has some examples of what you can do. It has some capabilities of what the AI is capable of, and it has some limitations about the AI itself. So the AI was launched in 2022. So the learning stopped in 2021, or I guess maybe most of the learning stopped. So down here you see it says it has limited knowledge of world and events after 2021. So it says limited knowledge of world and events after 2021. So, if Kansas City won the Super Bowl in 2023, 2022, would it know about that? Maybe, because it might have learned that somehow since then, but it may not know as well, because that's something that happened after 2021. So the first thing we can do is, I just like to do a simple get started. So I just say hello. And you don't have to do this. You can just go straight to your question or whatever you're inquiring about. And then it comes back, hello, how can I assist you? So today, since I work in the technical field, let's just ask a simple question. What is a computer network? And it tells us a lot about computer networks. So, and this is the power that a lot of people are talking about. You type in a question like this, and you get back a detailed answer of what a computer network is. And then you can go even more detailed than that. So it says local area network, and then it has a brief explanation of a local area network. But let's say we want to learn a little bit more. So let's say we go, I like copy and paste. So I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to say details on local area networks. So that was my second question, details on local area networks. And now it's going to give me some more detail on the local area network. So a small, minuscule example of what ChatGPT can do for you. So whatever field you're in, or whatever questions you may have, ChatGPT may most definitely be able to provide you some kind of reply. So you enter in a question, and ChatGPT gives you a reply back. So let's go to our next question, which is, how much does it cost? Okay, so the version that I'm using right now is a free version. They do have a chat where you see right here, it says upgrade to plus. You can upgrade to I believe it is $20 a month version. Don't quote me on that. But there is a paid version out there as well, which probably has some more additional features that, of course, the free one would not. So if you want to pay for it, you could, but this is a free version right here. So let's see what our next question is. Okay, what does it do, and what can I do with ChatGPT? So what it does, basically you chat with a artificial intelligence computer. So you have a chat with a computer that has a vast knowledge of everything. So whatever your subject may be, let's say we were talking about computers. So let's talk about something like lumber. I'm just going to type lumber costs today. Oh, I typed that in wrong. So now when you put in, let's see what happens here. I made a mistake. I put to that instead of today. Okay. So it says it can't provide me with the current lumber costs. So I did figure out what I was asking for. But since I asked for lumber costs today, it's telling me it doesn't have enough real-time data to provide me with a current lumber cost. So let's do this here. Let's go lumber costs in this lumber costs in 2015. So it gives us a lot of information on the lumber costs in the year 2015. So that's good. So we can go from computer networks to lumber, and we can go to, let's do this here. Chocolate cookie. Chocolate cookie recipe. So see right there, it puts out a ingredient list for chocolate cookies. It gives you the instructions on how to prepare the chocolate cookies. And it gives you a little tip at the end. You can adjust the recipe to your preference by adding nuts, white chocolate chips, or other mixings. And it says happy baking. So just incredible, the response time for something like this. Even years ago, when you put in a search, even in Google, sometimes you would have to wait for a response to come back, or you would get back so many, then you would have to filter through them. Now, this may not be the best response for what you want, but at least you get a very quick response. So something else, since I'm in IT, there's always a lot of writing to be done. So let's say write short on a /24 include host and okay, so I put write a short paper on a /24 network including host and broadcast. So let's see what it comes back with. So it gives me a title, Understanding a /24 Network Host and Broadcast. Oh, it gives me an introduction. Understanding the /24 Network, host addresses. Oh, this is just, it's just amazing. It's amazing. I wonder why, I understand why colleges and universities want to put some sort of restrictions on how students can use this, because if I say, I'm not in college, but if I was in college, I said, I need a paper on a /24 network, and it would spit this out in less than a minute. So, but this is just some of the examples of what ChatGPT can do. You can ask it a question like, can you write code? All right, can you write computer code? Which a lot of us may find very complicated. Yes, I can help you with computer code. Please let me know the programming language you would like to use and provide details of what you like. Example of Python code. I think I spelled that right. Python. All right. So I'm asking it for an example of Python code. Oh my gosh, look at that. It gives me an example of the code it wrote, and then it tells me what the code does. Oh yeah, this is amazing. In this code, we define a function called factorial1 that takes a parameter n, representing the number for which we want to calculate the factorial. The function uses recursion to calculate the factorial by multiplying the number n with the factorial of n minus 1. Okay. Until it reaches the base case where n is 0 or 1. All right. So see, you can do things you don't even really understand. That's why this is dangerous, I guess, to a lot of people out there. But I love it. I just wanted to show you briefly how to get started with it. I'm going to be bringing some more videos, maybe get a little more detail and try to see some of the other great things that are possible with ChatGPT. But I want to thank you for watching, and I hope you have a good day.